Hello, in this video you will learn how to create a window. So to create a window you need to get into the wall, so double click that component. So this is where the window is. To see the window location, change that to X-ray view so you can see things through, and this is how wide it is. So to get the width of them, use line tool L, and from that point go up, and the seal height was 3 feet 6 inches. That is what I gave you in the guideline. So type that up, enter, and going this way, and to get the width of them, hover over here and go straight, and you can see the indication line. So go up. Window height was 4 feet, and over here you can see the line is like going away, getting into the wall because it is in the X-ray mode. So SketchUp was confused. So let's undo and change the view to X-ray. So now you can see things better, and the SketchUp is less confused. So using line tool, make sure you're going blue, just like that, 4 feet, and going this way. You can get the indication lines, guidelines, so you can see things better. And click spacebar so you can get out of it. Click this one, just delete it, you don't need that. So this is how big window is, and this is the right placement. And after that we want to make this window a component. I explained how important it is to make an opening, P, to push pull, and just like what we have done over here, push to the other edge. So this is created, and let's use line tool to close so we can get the dimension of it, and Control C to copy, Control V outside, and this one click once and delete. And now let's make this one a component, and name that window. And over here we will make a really simple picture window. So like we will have a frame casing, so we can see the frame inside, and then glazing and sash around it. So that's the design, very simple design. Double click so we can edit it, and let's make the casing. And to do that we will use offset tool. Offset is right here, or F, and the casing we will make that like 3 inches. It's really up to you. And for that one, for the window frame, we will casing we will use P, push pull, and the wall is pretty thick, so we will make that frame like 1 foot, so just like that. So that is the casing, the frame. And now let's make a sash and glazing. So this is the part that we can use, and again make that one Control C, Control V, and this one we don't need that. And over here let's make that one a component again and name that a sash. And over here again, offset tool to you need to double click to edit it, F to offset, and this time we can make it a little thicker, like 6 inches. it's really up to you. And push-pull for the sash, let's make it 1 inch for the depth. Okay, and after that, again, this glazing, let's make that over here and delete, and I'll just make this one a just single sheet, and let's make that glazing. Okay, we can do that later. Let's move it first. Let's move this. I'm sorry. So did I make it a glass component and glass? Okay, and M. So we need to delete this one here, M, and place it in the midpoint. And to make this one glazing, we should use either paint bucket tool or over here. And to find glass over here, you will get, like, once you open materials window, you will have these folders, and one of them is glass and mirrors. So open that up and we will use this one. Okay, so that's how you assign a material to an element. So did that, get out of there, and let's move it again. So you can make a midpoint again, to be exact, and over here to the midpoint over here. Okay, and after that, get out of there, and again we will move this one, find the midpoint, and to the midpoint here. So we move that. So that's how you create a window, a very simple window, and glazing and sash, and place them in the right place. So that's how you do it. It'll be looking like this. Okay.